Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to win Grand Challenge and Clash Royale. Winning the Grand Challenge and Clash Royale takes skill, focus, and smart preparation. First, you'll need 100 gems to enter, so make sure you're ready before committing. Once inside, the best strategy is to use a strong and consistent meta deck. Popular choices include Minor Control, Hug Cycle, E-Giant Beatdown, or even Furnace Evolution control decks. Instead of switching around, stick to one deck you know well and master its cycle, openings, and defensive plays. Always manage your elixir wisely, don't overcommit, save enough for events, and pay attention to your opponent's card rotation. And over time, patience is key. Defending efficiently often creates winning opportunities. Beyond gameplay, warm up with a few ladder matches before entering, stay calm to avoid tilt, and study replays of top players using your deck to refine your strategy. With practice and focus, you'll greatly boost your chances of reaching those coveted 12 wins in the Grand Challenge. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.